that's the making of the spray painted bride shot. Remember, the further away from the wall, the more of a splash of paint you're going to have. The closer you are to the wall, the more of a line you're going to have. And it's good to do both. You can do the, just like typing on a computer, you have different fonts that would be outlined or shadowed. You can definitely do that with these torches on the wall. And you can mix colors. You can mix blues and yellows into greens and anywhere in between, and blues and reds into purples. The more fun you have at it, the more you're going to stay with it. And that's the goal here.